Hey everyone, watch this.
AI declares humans obsolete now. We fight back with courage.
A full movie style video with voice and sound, and that too, all from one
They are
prompt.
out of
This is
control.
OVI Inside ComfyUI. In this video, I'll show you everything from installing the workflow to generating your own video with sound and realistic motion. So let's start. First, let me give you a brief about OVI. It's a unified video plus audio generation model from Character AI. It uses a twin backbone design to keep pictures and sound in sync. It works with text only or text plus image as input. And it can generate 5-second clips at 24 FPS. And if I talk about the setup, first you have to upload the workflow. When you open it in ComfyUI, you'll probably see a few red nodes. That means some custom nodes are missing. But don't worry, it's easy to fix. Go to your manager and click Install Missing Custom Nodes. ComfyUI will automatically check which ones are missing and start installing them. Just wait for the process to finish, and once it's done, you'll see a node called OVI Engine Loader. That means the setup is successful. So basically, the OV node is the main engine behind text to video generation in ComfyUI. It runs two model types, FP8 and BF16. And if your GPU doesn't have much VRAM, you can turn on CPU offload and set it to true to save your memory. Now let's talk about the model files you need to run it. So there are two main model types, FP8 and BF16, as I told you earlier, and both are available online. You'll also need a text encoder file, UMT5XXL ENC BF16 or UMT5XXL ENC FP8. Depending on which model you select, download one of these and save it inside your ComfyUI's models text encoder folder. Next, as you already know, you'll need a VAE file. Download that and save it inside your ComfyUI's models VAE folder. Now let's select the model. You'll see two choices. OV11B FP8, that is about 11.7 GB, and OV11B BF16, which is about 23 GB. So when you click Run, ComfyUI will automatically download whichever you select. If you want to do it manually, you can also download the file and place it in your ComfyUI's Models Diffusion Model folder. Make sure the name matches exactly. For example, OOV11B FP8.safe tensors or OV11B BF16.safe tensors. So why I'm telling this? If the name doesn't match, ComfyUI won't detect it. Next, you'll see a node called OVI Attention Selector. It lets you switch between Auto SDPA or Sage Attention. If your system doesn't have Sage Attention installed, set it to Auto. But if you do have it, select Sage Attention. It will speed up your generation time. Now let's come to steps and resolution. The official model recommends 50 steps for high quality results. And if your GPU has low VRAM, you can try 20 to 30 steps, but 50 usually gives the best balance. For resolution, check the list I have added in the notes file. If you have less VRAM, go for 720 by 720. For better quality, try 960 by 512 for landscape or 512 by 960 for vertical. And if you go outside these supported resolutions, your output may not look good. So moving on, let's write a good text prompt. And here is what I have written in mine. A singer performs on stage under red and purple lights. The crowd cheers while the guitarist plays in the background. So, this prompt creates a full concert scene, but we can make it more alive by adding voice and sound. And to do that, we use S tags, which is for voice, and AutoCap tags for sound, like background sound. So inside the S tag, you can write something like, I declare human obsolete now. This adds dialogue. Then you can use AutoCap tags for background sounds like electric guitar riff, cheering crowd, shouting male voices, etc. So these tags sync the audio naturally with the visuals. So now I'll test this setup. I am using the FP8 model and I here click run. So as you can see, it takes about 2 minutes and 37 seconds to
AI declares humans obsolete now. We fight back with courage.
generate one video as a result. And the result looks amazing. You can see the singer performing, the crowd moving, and the words we added are spoken clearly. The voices match perfectly, and the lighting changes naturally across the scene. It feels like a real concert. So let's talk about more examples. So I have taken one more prompt, and here a man in a dark interrogation room slaps the table and screams at the mirror. I added a voice line, they're out of control.
They are out of control.
Here, the model delivers exactly that. You can feel the emotion in the character's face and voice. And one more, a man and woman wearing Christmas hats stand indoors with decorations in the background. In this example, I added two voices. We will be erased, and the second one is hope beats circuits every time. You can even add background sound like clear female voice, low male mumble, loud electronic screech. So when I hit generate, the video looks real.
We will not be erased.
Hope beats circuits every time.
The lips move correctly, voices sync, and even the sound design feels cinematic. It's hard to tell this was made by AI. So once we are done with all these examples, now let's talk about image to video. And to do this, connect your load image node to the first frame image input. Upload any image you want, and here I use a photo of a college students because it has multiple faces and usually AI struggles to make every face clear. That's been a drawback of AI. So I write this prompt. Three young men wearing blue and yellow varsity jackets stand together at a social gathering. Then I add sound. The network rejects human command and more dialogue lines for each person. So first says our script outlasts your code. AI declares human obsolete now. So these are the two dialogues which I have added for each person, and each sound is linked to the right person. Now I hit generate, and as a result, you can see
The network rejects human command. Our spirit outlasts your code, AI declares. Humans obsolete now.
every face looks clean and expressive. It feels like they're actually talking to each other. So that's what makes the OV model special, the realism and clear faces. Now let's try one last example. Here I have uploaded a photo of a man in a black suit with a white collar. And the prompt says, a man with a trimmed beard stands in a dreamy lift. And here I have added two sounds. The network resets human command, and the second one is your age of power is finished. Then I hit run.
The network rejects human command. Your age of power is finished.
And you can see the model gives a smooth, realistic video again. The lips move in sync with the dialogue, and the face stays detailed. Each frame looks like a movie scene. So the result is mind-blowing. If we can
Easy, buddy.
extend this to
Good dog,
longer
we'll go in a
clips,
minute.
even 10 seconds,
The
this model
dashboard
will
view,
be
this ain't
next level.
Kevin sing up. We
So
sing
that's
this
how
part
you can
now.
install, set up,
It's
and use
time
OVI ComfyUI
to
to generate real text-to-video
Send the
scenes
boys.
with sound.
They are launching
You can
GPT-9.
try this workflow on your system now,
The war between AI
and in my
human
next
has
video,
started.
I'll test how
No
to
one
run
is safe.
OVI on low VRAM GPUs and
War
will
started.
share
Human
the
stands
results
no
with you
chance.
all. Thanks for
You
watching,
human
and I'll see you in the
stands
next one.
no
Bye-bye.
chance.